Hello everyone, I hope so everyone is doing well. So today is Saturday and my hairs are very rough. So I'm just trying to find out the barberia shop and I'm first time going to have a haircut in Spain. So let's see if I'm able to get barber shop easily. I have to ask someone that where is barber shop. So I'm just heading towards. Let me see if I am able to get someone. I hope so I will get. So right now I asked someone for the barberia shop and he told me that you need to go to straightforward, and I don't know what he said in Spanish but I will try to see how is that. So I just asked a Pakistani about the barber shop and he told me you have to go straight forward and then I will get a shop. Let's see. I visited 2 to 3 shops but they said no English, and they told me about like Corte English, and I don't understand what does it mean. So I think the lights are off and I can walk through the road. Let's see, I think they are full. So guys, right now I'm in a barber shop. These are the Moroccans and it is my first time to be here to have a haircut, and they told me you have to wait 5 minutes, and let's see how it will goes for having a first time haircut in Spain. And today we have plans like with Omar and with Paloma, and then we will see what we are going to do today. It's a randomly vlog because I think I have to make a vlog that how I get a haircut in Spain. Let's.
You have a son in Egypt?
See?
You have a son?
Pakistan. So right now I just asked them that you use card in your shop, and they told me the machine is not working. So I'm just heading towards ATM machine and I'm using my card to get some money. Let's see. I think it's in front of me. I have to cross the road again and I will withdraw some money from ATM and then I will come back, and I told them that I'm coming back. So here is my bank, Abarkhaga. Let's see if the ATM machine is working or not. So right now I'm just back from the bank and I got all the money because the owner told me the card is not working here. So you can start, yeah.
Quita la mascarilla, por favor.
Okay. Take out mascarilla.
Mascarilla out.
Okay, gracias. So he told me to take out your mask and I just do that. So guys, right now I just got the haircut and I paid €7. I asked him how much for that, and he told me that €7 for the haircut and €5 for the for your beard. So I told him no, I don't need it beard. I just only need my haircut, and he charged me €7. So €7 is very like normal price here. Like if you go to some other barber shops, they will charge you more higher price for that. So it was my first time here for the haircut. Like in Pakistan we paid very less price to our barbers for the haircutting, but here is a little bit expensive because it's a euro, bro. So you have to compensate with the things here. So for living here you have to pay for some things you have to pay higher prices, and for the some things you have to pay little bit lower prices. Okay, so I hope so you guys will like my vlog, and I hope so I will meet you again in next vlog. So take care. Allah Hafiz.